for TV movies. I wanna be on Entertainment Weekly. I wanna be the oldest child star. I want you to hear about me on the radio, driving in your car. Well, I wanna be. Why don't you get off your lazy ass and look at me? 'Cause I'm your star. I'm your star. You should be hearing about me in your car. Can't talk to you. I've got 22 minutes commercial free to break through. Break on through, yeah. This line's brought to you by all the pain that I've left out. It's made possible by a grant from all my self-doubt. Well, I wanna be. Why don't you get off your lazy ass and look at me? 'Cause I'm your star. I'm your star. You really should be listening. You really should be listening. Are open and your hair is in the comb and your ass is on the couch, but there's nobody